Alright, traders, good. It's actually officially good morning. It's Saturday, just past midnight here. Had a big day today, so this is the first video I've made. Just have a look at the pound Aussie here. This is a potential longer term sell. And I want to go over a few ideas. We have the G20 summits in Puerto Rico, I think. Somewhere. But most importantly, Donald Trump, and I believe it's the Chinese president, Xi, whoever it is, they're going to have a discussion about the trade war situation, and we'll see if stuff's resolved. So there's a point of interest there to bring up. So I'm just in the background here. I'm just scanning through the euro. I'm just always want to see what's going on here. No trades this week. There's been nothing really. A high time frame. I've been working quite a lot, so I sort of step back and I sort of take care of the business there. And then if there is something longer term, I'll take it. But there hasn't really been anything there. Euro pound, bit of a mixed bag. Mixed bag indeed. And USD Singapore. Don't know why I brought this up. I think there was something in the chat. No, it was pound Singapore. Brian was talking about that in the chat I'm in. And someone mentioned that they wanted to know more about the chat, and I forwarded them on to Brian's Twitter, and he adds you, so I don't know what's going on there. That's shadow. What's the Kiwi looking like? Okay, so the Kiwi is actually it's still sort of holding up. It's making higher highs as well. Interesting. So what my theory is for G20, you wait for Monday, gather some information, see what the price action is doing. Then Tuesday, European session, London session, that sort of time. Potentially make a trade. Pound Aussie again, longer term. So I haven't entered a position there, but I definitely will be next week if the price action is good. I want to see that weekly candle close near its low as well. That's quite key for me to see that. Aussie dollar, not terrible, to be fair. Not bad. Okay. Gotta wait now it loads a bit. A little bit laggy. I do apologize for that as well. Just waiting on that weekly time frame alert. Okay, so it's holding above the trend line there. So I mean, look, if that can close back up near where it did 2 weeks ago, there's a potential trade there. So I'm going to call it there, guys, for now. I'll just see the pound, actually. USDN's not a trade either. I'm not even going to bring that up. That's not a trade. Yeah. Okay, so the pound is just floating around. It's not really doing too much. So I think we'll finish on pound Aussie. Just to reiterate what I want to see. Yeah, so we zoom in here. I'd like it to actually close really at its low for the weekly, and then I would pretty much enter at the low of the candle with a pending order and stop probably above here. And that's about it. That's trade plans discussed. I'll do an end of month Forex update tomorrow. Just going over how the month was. It wasn't great, but it wasn't terrible. But yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great weekend. I'll be back later today because it's nearly 1 AM. So it is Saturday morning. About 4 hours to go to close of the week. So stay tuned for my end of month update. And bye for now.